Hi guys, today pag-uusapan lang natin itong price action dito ni BTC as well as itong hype and itong Zcash guys, no. So discuss lang natin dito yung mga probabilities. May mga questions dito bakit nagkaroon ng pag-akyat ng presyo itong crypto market, Bitcoin as well, including itong Zcash guys, no. So right now nagkakaroon ng all-time high itong Zcash. So, kala natin sa Wall Street lang yung pinaka-bull market pero we observe this coin na bakit siya umaakyat as well as yung hype, no? I think it's breaking its previous resistance na dito. So, please ignore na lang itong mga guhit dahil I have some swing positions and nakalagay ito. But we'll explain dito guys why hype, Zcash are pumping and bakit nagkakaroon sila ng all-time high. So, discuss natin yan, including itong Bitcoin and itong campaign wherein I'll be joining dito. So, discuss natin yan guys dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin. Turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. Unahan na nating pasadahan itong si BTC. So right now the price is around 78,900, no. Lately we have this discussion sa ating YouTube channel, some divergences na na-observe natin especially for the BTC. So papakita ko lang dito guys, no. Pahapyaw lang naman ito. Dito guys, this is on the 4 hours time frame, no. So, meron tayo ditong nakita na pa-decline yung price action. Ito. Pero, if we observe dito sa oscillators natin, ayan, MACD. You can also add RSI, pero this is only for an insights lang, guys. Now, again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice, guys, no? So, ngayon, meron tayo dito nakita na magandang divergence, no? Price action is going down, pero MACD is going up, no? Ayan, makikita natin dito sa MACD natin. So, the price action is going down, no? Ayan, no? So, this one is a scenario ng bullish divergence, no? So, sa liwanag ng price action, kapag pabagsak yung price action, pero nagkakaroon ng build up doon sa momentum ng MACD, RSI, oscillators, there's a high probability na pwede siyang umangat, guys, no? And it was happen dito, nagkaroon ng consolidation, bahagya, and nabasag yung accumulation dito guys, no. So this is one of the accumulation. Ayan. So nagre-range yung price action dyan. Maybe I can adjust around here or can be consider itong pinaka zone na yan, no. Yan yung isa sa mga na-observe natin. Right now the price action is moving to the upside, no. Other than that is that yung mga short squeeze, no, plus leverage, no. There's a probability na kapag may mga nag-short, it will be add up and nagiging bullish yung price action. So, isa yan sa mga na-observe natin dito. So, right now, isa sa mga tinitingnan ko dito, guys, is that yung probability, again, this setup is only a swing. Ang isa sa mga tinitingnan ko dito is yung potential retest dito sa resistance na ito since nabasag and nare-respect itong area na ito guys, no. So if ever na i-test niya yan, kasi next key level yan ng resistance for the BTC guys, no. Ito yung isa sa pinaka probabilities natin dito for the price action ni BTC right now. Breakout na accumulation as well as divergence na na-observe natin dito for the past couple of months dito guys, na after this declining accumulation and the price is now breaking out dun sa accumulation. Next thing siguro dito guys is that yung mga narrative, no. Unahin na natin dito si hype. So si hype, bakit siya nagpa-pump, no? As we observe dito guys, itong price action niya, isa sa mga nag-benefit dito is yung mga perp dex, no? Nung nagkaroon ng massive IPO yung SpaceX. So isa ito sa mga platform na meron siyang features that you can like accumulate ng mga stocks or tokenize tokens, no, like SpaceX. And perp dex is one of the narrative ng pagpasok ng taon, no. So isa ito sa nag-benefit itong hype. Yeah, maraming fundamental protocol revenue story itong Hyperliquid. Actually, nag-degenerate sila ng malaking fees, no? And large portion of that revenue is being used for hype buybacks, no? So you can check yung pinaka white papers niyan. So recent reporting nila, approximately around 169 million USD ang pinaka revenue nila during quarter 2. 141 M naman allocated doon sa pag-buyback ng hype tokens, no. Yung pinaka interesting mechanism dito, guys, for hype. Again, I'm just sharing this idea lang or insights lang, guys, no. Ang isa sa pinaka interesting mechanism dito, guys, no. More hyperliquid trading, more fees, more hype buybacks, no. So nagre-reduce yung available supply and then kakaroon siya ng stronger na demand dito, guys. So yun, hopefully nagkaroon ka ng insights regarding dun sa kanilang revenue, ano yung ginagawa. And we can observe some breakouts dito sa previous resistance right now. Above all-time high na yung price action. We observe key level ng support dito sa area na to. Yun, puntahan naman natin yung Zcash, no? Dahil isa din ito sa nagkaroon ng rally for the past couple of months, no? So, isa sa mga nag-decouple, I would say, dahil nagkaroon siya ng all-time high, BTC is going down, high market cap is going down, pero ito is recent all-time high happens. Just like what happened kay Hyperliquid. Isa sa mga catalyst dito, guys, is that yung probability ng ETF catalyst dahil yung Grayscale has been moving its Zcash trust towards US spot ETFs structure, guys, no? So, as we observe, maganda yung mga confirmation dito. Yung trendline support natin is that makikita natin dyan sa price action. So yung pinaka-latest filing dito, guys, ng Grayscale would rename it the Zcash ETF, no? And list on NYSE Arca. So yun yung isa sa mga na-observe natin, potential large institutional DCAs, no? Isa din siguro is that yung privacy narrative coming back. Isa sa mga na-observe din natin yan, no? ETF news, spot buying, short strap, kasi if ever na may mga nag-shorts dito, it will add up for a momentum ng bullish kapag naliliquidate, and yung mga FOMO, no. So, isa ito sa mga tokens na commonly asked, no. Zcash, Hype, BTC going up, ano yung nakita natin sa technicals niya, no. Yeah, share ko na rin itong pinaka-campaign. You can check this one. I think 2 days na lang ito. You can get dito nung pinaka-rewards naman, bonus. If ever man na-check na nyo itong pinaka-idea na ito. And lalagay ko na lang sa pinaka-description ng video na ito if you're interested dito, guys, no. So, yun. Hope you get some insights, ideas dito, guys, for the price action ni BTC as well as itong si Hype, yung idea dito, bakit siya umakyat, and itong kay Zcash, guys, no. So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood and ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.